This video shows how to use the HawsEDC free simple curve data tables for AutoCAD. It's a very simple concept. If I run the command curves once I've loaded it, I can use E for edit a block, and I can see that in this block there is no data. If I use E to edit this block, there is no data in it either. But if I use get data from curve and I pick the arc, then I tell it to put the data in there, then I say E for edit, I will see a bunch of curve data in that block. Now I can copy data between blocks, blocks to change that one, block to match that one. And I just copied the curve data from the arc to the number to the table. Now let's see a little bit more about how it worked. Starting with an empty drawing, I dragged in the curve number block cn.dwg. Then I dragged in the curve table block ct.dwg. Then I dragged in the curve table header cthead.dwg. And then I just moved these so that they were near each other. And I guess I shouldn't have canceled the dragging in of the curve number. I'll put it in again. And then I drew an arc, and then I just typed curves. I said get the data from the curve, pick the object, pick the block. Now I can edit it, and sure enough the block now has the curve data. And I can copy data between blocks, pick the blocks to change, and then pick the block to match. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.